2766 on Xbox and Windows PC. 1. Check your internet connection, Xbox and PC. 2. Close running. Games and apps, Xbox and PC, via Task Manager. 3. Just display settings. Xbox. 3.1 Adjust your resolution to 1080p. Pad, settings display and sound video output display. 3.2 Advanced display, choose video modes and uncheck allow 4K and allow HDR. 4. Clear MAC address, Xbox. Pad, settings network settings advanced settings alternate MAC address. 5. Verify and repair your game files in battle.net client, PC. 6. Perform a clean boot, PC. 7. Update the graphic driver.